and Pfeiffer GTV. Please like, comment down, subscribe after watching. Hi guys, welcome back to Axel and Pfeiffer GTV. For our home activity is about interior angles of a regular polygon.
Next example. So, dito ko matitest kung naintindihan niya o hindi. So, if he don't, we have to repeat the topic. And then, if he understand kahit konti, we have to proceed a new one. So, next. Let's have a decorative tabletop is a regular polygon. Each interior angle measures 150 degrees. How many sides does the table have? So this is the same as the previous example. You have to find the side or the number of angles of the polygon. Again, a decorative tabletop is a regular polygon. Each interior angle measures 150 degrees. How many sides does the table's top have?
Measurement of each angle is n minus 2, 180 degrees, and then divided by n. So let's replace m, measurement of each angle, into 150 degrees. So
I can't hear you. Louder.
n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees divided by n. So let's
What process will you do? It's not cancellation pala. It's cross multiplication.
cross multiplication. So this is 150n, and then this is, because let's
Distribute.
180 to n and 2. So 180n minus 360 degrees. So transpose 180n here. Since this is positive, it will become negative. So negative 180 plus
180 what? Is there no variable on it?
150n. So negative 180n plus 150n is negative 30n. Tapos plus dito yung natira, 360 degrees. So 30n and then 360 degrees. Let's make it positive.
O sige.
And then divided by 30. Cancel. Divided by 30. So n equals 11 and then 12. 12 angles or 12 sides.
12 angles. So the process is, the formula you use is the measurement of an angle. Since you're given with a measurement of each interior angles, 150 degrees, substitute, equals n minus 2 times 180 degrees over n. So you represented n as a number of angles. So simplify 150n is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees over n. And then do the cross multiplication. You get 150n equals 100. Distribute 180 degrees to the parenthesis, n minus 2. So you got 180 degrees times n minus 360 degrees. Do not forget the degree sign on 150 and 180 there. 180 degrees. So your new equation now is 150 degrees n minus equals 180 degrees n minus 360 degrees. So transpose 180 degrees n 180 degrees n transpose to the left side and to the other side. You got negative 180 degrees plus 150 and why? Because we do not transpose the 150 degrees and remain on the other side. We just transpose 180 degrees, so we have to change its sign. Minus on the other side, we got negative 360 degrees. So our new equation is 300 minus 3, what's that?
30.
You got negative 30 degrees n is equal to negative 360 degrees. So divide both sides. Do not change the sign first. You have to show everyone that you need to divide negative 30 on both sides. So dividing, follow the rule. Dividing numbers with this same sign will give you positive. Okay? So negative 30 degrees n equals negative 360 degrees divided by negative 30 degrees on both sides. So cancel the degrees, cancel the negative, make it positive, and then cancel the degree sign. Okay, para ang maiwan is purely number. Okay, cancel degrees, can change the sign to positive since you are dividing the same sign. So your number now, your n now is 12, meaning the polygon has 12 sides. Next. Okay, next. A honeycomb cell is shaped like a regular hexagon. What is the sum of the interior angles of the single honeycomb cell? So you are given with a polygon. Hexagon, which has
6 angles.
6 angles.
So we are finding the sum of interior angles. So sum angle equals n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. Sum, let's replace n, 6 minus 2, 180 degrees. So sum equals 4, 180 degrees. Sum equals 180 times 4, 0, 32, 4, and then 7. 720 degrees.
So, okay, since you are asked to find the sum of the interior angles and the given polygon is hexagon which has 6 sides, just substitute the given to your formula. So, sum of the angles is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Substitute. Simplify. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 times 180 degrees will give you 720 degrees. Very good. Okay, next. A park has a gazebo shaped like a regular decagon. If the sum of the interior angles of the gazebo is 1,440 degrees, how many sides does the gazebo have? So parang nabanggit na rin.
1,440. So the sum of interior angles is 140 degrees. So let's use sum. Diba hinahanap po yung sides ko? Ilang sides? Sum equals n minus 2, 180 degrees. So let's change sum into 1,400 degrees, n minus 2, 180 degrees. And let's use like mommy said on number 3 po ba yun? Cancel this, ay wait lang, ba't yung cancel? 1,400 80. Now let's divide 1,400 divided by 180. This is, so let's use 1,180 times 5. It's 900, and then let's use 6. That's 6, 0, 48. And then let's use another one. Let's try 8. 8, 0, 64, and then 1, 4, 4. So 8 equals n minus 2. Let's transpose. So 10 equals n, or n equals 10.
So you are asked to find the side. Okay, of course, when you have a side, you have same angles then. So given the sum of the polygon is 1,440 substituted to the given and minus 2 times 180 degrees. Okay, divide both sides by 180 degrees and you got 8. 8. Then transpose negative 2 from the other side to the left side. You have to change the sign of negative 2 into positive since we are transposing negative 2. And then you have 10 is equal to
n equals to 10.
n is equal to 10. This is the number of side. Okay, the number of side and at the same time the number of angles. Okay, just like the previous one, number 3. Okay, you are asked to find the number of side. Okay, computing the number of side and computing the angles are the same process. Okay, so very good.
Bye-bye, guys. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to like, comment down, subscribe after watching. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching, and we also ask for your support on our second channel, Familia Garcia Makes. And by the way, if you have a new method of computing
angles of regular polygon,
okay,
please share with us.
Okay, we welcome ideas or new opinion regarding on this topic. Okay, this is our home activity and we welcome your opinion.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We do the active learning, by the way, as mentioned before. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
God bless and have a safe morning.